What's up guys, this is iTechSpot here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Google Home Mini. So let's get started. So taking a look at the left side of the box, we see suggestions on simple commands for the Google Home. Now on the right side of the box, it shows some recommended devices and streaming services that work with Google Home Mini. So now we're gonna open the box and lift the lid to reveal the Google Home Mini sitting on the top. Setting the Google Home aside here, we're going to look further in the box, and inside the box is included a setup manual and power cord. So taking a closer look of the Google Home Mini, it is made with a fabric on the top and on the bottom consists of rubber to ensure a firm grip to its surface. Now at the back of the Google Home Mini is a mute switch and a micro USB port for power. So to set up the Google Home Mini, you guys want to plug in your Google Home to the power outlet and you guys will see 4 dots across the speaker. Now shortly after powering up the Google Home Mini, you guys will hear the Google Home boot up just like this.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So once you guys have booted up your Google Home, you guys want to make sure you download the Google Home app on your phone. And you guys are going to add a new device into the application. So we're going to head into settings and we're going to connect to the Google Home's wireless network. So we're going into Wi-Fi and we're going to select the Google Home's wireless network right here. Now once you guys are connected to the wireless network, we're going to head back into the app right here. And you guys will see that it is connecting to the Google Home Mini. So now you guys will see, did you hear the sound? You're going to tap on yes. And you guys want to select the region that you are in. So we're going to tap on continue and you're going to select where this device is located. So I'm just going to select on living room right here. We're going to tap on next and we're going to choose the wireless network that we want our Google Home to run on. Alright, so my device is now connected to the network. So we're going to set up the Google Assistant. Now I have set this up on another Google Home already. So it already recognizes my voice right here. So we're going to tap on continue. And we're going to tap on continue once again. Now we're going to set up our address. Now this is optional. You guys do not have to put in your address. So we're going to tap on next. And you guys could set up your video services. So we're just going to tap on not now. And we are almost finished. So we're just going to make sure that we completed all the things we wanted on our Google Home. So we're going to tap on next to complete the setup. And of course there's an update. So we're going to wait for this update to finish and I'll be right back. So my Google Home Mini has now finished updating. So we're going to tap on continue right here. And now we're on the final page. Now this page shows us what we can do with our Google Home Mini. So we could play music, get answers from the web, and of course get some reminders on our device. Now one of the greatest features of the Google Home Mini is the smart home integration, so you guys could ask the Google Home to turn on your smart home lights just like these nano leaf auroras right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Google Home Mini. Be sure to like and subscribe as there's many more videos like these coming to you guys very soon. Anyways guys, this is iTechSpot and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace!